Here is another simple problem based on continuity of functions. We have this function defined when x is less than or equal to 5 and x greater than 5. And this function is continuous at x equal to 5. What does that mean? When limit x tends to 5, this value of this function f of x, limit x tends to 5, should be equal to f of 5. Right, that is what the continuity is about. So if a function is like this, let's say this point is 5, then whenever you are approaching from the left or you are approaching from the right, they should approach a common point. That is left hand side limit and right hand side limit. At the same time, the value of this function at f of 5, the value of this function at 5, f of 5, let's say this point is some 2, f of 5 should also be equal to 2. Right. So here what is f of 5? F of 5 is a into a times greatest integer function of pi minus pi plus 1. Right. This is f of 5. Right. And the value of limit when x is approaching from left, that is also the same thing, x less than or equal to 5. Basically f of 5 and left hand side is same. What is the one that is coming from the right side? It is b times 5 minus pi plus 3. Right. 5 is greater than pi, so this becomes b times 5 minus pi plus 3. And what about this one? Pi minus pi, 5 is greater than pi, so this becomes minus a times pi minus pi, right, plus 1. So, and we want a minus b. So let us do like this. A times pi minus 5 will become minus of 5 minus 5 because that is absolute value. 5 is greater than pi, right? 5 minus 5, absolute value of this is 5 minus pi. So plus 1 should be equal to b times 5 minus pi plus 3. Now we take this common. A minus b into 5 minus pi is equal to 3 minus 1. So what is a minus b? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 5 minus pi. Very, very basic problem. We just need to equate these two equations. And the only thing we should take care is, instead of pi minus 5, it becomes 5 minus pi because absolute value of this. Absolute value of pi is some 3.1 minus pi. Right. So this becomes pi minus 3.1. That is the only thing that we have to take care. Right, minus of a times pi minus pi is a times pi minus pi. Right. So when a function is continuous, what does that mean? The limit of the function at that particular point where we are checking continuity should be equal to value of the function at that point. Right, guys? Very basic problem. Thank you.